What happens if you stop eating completely? Day by day, your body starts eating itself. After 6 hours, your stomach starts growling, and you feel extremely hungry and restless. You can't focus on anything, your mind keeps thinking only about food. After 24 hours, your body begins to panic. Since there's no food coming in, it starts using stored energy to survive. One strange side effect is that your breath may develop a strong, unpleasant odor. After 72 hours, 3 days, the feeling of hunger may seem to disappear, but don't be fooled, it's a trick. To keep your brain functioning, your body starts breaking down your own muscles for energy. In a way, your body is consuming itself. After 1 week, your immune system becomes very weak. Even a minor cold can become dangerous. Your brain gets foggy, and you may even start imagining things. Everything you look at might seem like a slice of pizza. After 3 weeks, your internal organs begin to shrink. Your heart gets smaller and struggles to pump blood. You start to look more like a skeleton than a healthy human. After 45 days, game over. Your body systems begin to fail completely. There's almost nothing left to sustain life, and the engine of your body eventually shuts down forever. Nature shows no mercy.